mentioned earlier, you can see him at the Aulani as well as the Hilton, but we have him here today at the Made in Hawaii Festival, almost like a staple every year. So we are so happy to have him back again this year. You folks show your appreciation and your love. One more time, big round of applause for one of Hawaii's greats, Jerry Santos.
I know this is running way over time, so I was trying to help.
No, you started late.
Is there anything I can play for you folks?
What? What is that?
I think I know that.
That song, oh, what is it?
Ku'uhome o Kahalu'u. Ku'uhome o Kahalu'u.
Yeah, Ku'uhome o Kahalu'u.
I wrote this song when I was about 20 years old. It's been with me for a very long time. People say, do you get tired of playing that song? I say no, because it reminds me who I am, where I come from in the world. My hanahou sister Donna taught me to play the guitar when we were probably about 11 years old, 12 maybe. She was a student at Sacred Hearts Academy, and the nun there, I can't remember her name, but sister taught the girls to play guitar. Nohilani Cipriano was one of them too. Nana came home, taught the rest of us to play, and by the time we were in high school, we all had our own little musical groups, and we would battle it out at Youth Night at the Shell during Hawai'i. My sister chose to live her life close to home. She stayed there on the windward side, became part of the choir directors there at Our Lady of Mount Carmel Church in Waikani. And I took what she taught me and ran off into the world to have adventures. And so this was really a letter to her. I had been living in San Francisco for about a year and a half, having those adventures, making some new friends. But you always worry that if you stray too far from the home front, how will that change you? And will it change your perception of the world? But I think if you have a really strong foundation, and you love the place that you come from, and the family that supports you, the world is just the oyster. Anyway, out of that came this song. I remember days we used to catch off in the mountain street, round the corner hills we ride on horse. So long ago, it seems it was a dream. Can't help me sing. Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart called out to you. But I fear it won't be like I left you. Ke aloha ko me o Kahalu'u. I remember days when we were wise, when our world was small enough for dreams, and you have lingered there, my sister. And I no longer can sense. Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart called out to you. But I fear I am not as I left you. Ke aloha ko te o Kahalu'u. Change is a strange thing, it cannot be denied. your sad woman kills your pride. Moving slowly is all we're gone. Please do not hold on to me, we all must go alone. I remember days when we were smiling, when we laughed and sang all night long. And I would greet you as if I knew you, with sharing our bright new sun. Last night I dreamed time was returning, and my heart called out to you to please accept me as your family. Me ke aloha ko me o Kahalu'u, me ke aloha ko me o Kahalu'u, me ke aloha ko me o Kahalu'u.
Another big round of applause for Jerry Santos.